So guys, let's talk about now delete method. How can we delete the item from our list? Okay, till now we just learnt about how to add the items, how to add the data to our list. So now we will talk about delete methods. So we have three types of methods with us: pop, delete operator and remove. So let's see how these methods work. So before that, what we have to do, we have to create one class. Okay, I have to create. Okay, so let's start with it. Okay, let me pass the arguments. I'll create the variable class 6a. Okay, and let's again create one. Fine, like fine. And the next is just suppose I am writing here uh, names are like Lily. Okay, and after that one more name let me add. Just suppose I am writing here like Tejas. Okay, then after that I will add here another name, that is Tanish. Okay, fine. And after that I again have one more name in my list, that is I will say Manav. Okay, then again just suppose I have one more list. Okay, one more name, that is I can write any other name. Okay, like suppose I am writing here Yash. Okay, fine. So this is my list. Now let's apply the pop method first of all. If I will, guys, if I will write simply class 6a. Okay, fine, dot pop. Okay, and the brackets. Fine, and I am saying that print class 6a. Clear? So what will happen here? Let's see what will happen. Look very carefully. This is my list. I have how many members? 1 2 3 4 5 6 members, and Yash is the last one member in my list. Okay, so let me run the file. Okay, you can see what can you see here and just guess what had happened here. Okay, yes, of course, the last name, that is Yash, has been removed from my list. So this is the job of the pop. Means when we are not passing any argument, okay, any argument inside these brackets, so it will simply, what it will do? It will simply remove the last element from the list. Whatever the last element would be, it will remove the last element. Okay, fine. Just suppose if simply I will pass the argument. What will just a minute. Okay, what will happen? Okay, let me simply comment it out. Okay, if I will simply say third. Okay, so I am telling it has to delete the element that is at third position. Okay, means this is my zeroth one, first one, this is second, and this is the third one. Okay, so it has to delete that one. Fine, so let's save and see, will it remove Tanish from my list? Yes, of course it is working here. So this is how your pop method works. Okay, if you will pass out the argument over here, so it will delete that particular element from your list. Okay, if you will not pass the argument here, then it will automatically delete the last element from the list. Fine, I hope it is clear to you. Okay, now let's move forward. Fine, now next is delete operator. This is an operator. Okay, so let's see here. Fine, so let's see now how it will work. It's very easy. I will write here delete. Okay, then delete, then class. Okay, 6a, 6a, then I will pass again the argument index here. Okay, that is first value. Okay, control S. So what it will do, it will delete the first the element from my list who is at first position, like this is 0, this is 1. So I think it will delete the Lily from my list. So let's check again. Yes, so like this. Okay, you can see here Lily has been removed from my list. Okay, so this is the job of the delete operator here. Fine. So let's see next method. What is the next method now? Here is my next method, that is remove. Okay, remove. Okay, so let's see here how it works. Fine. Okay, let me simply write down class 6a, okay, dot remove. Fine, I am writing remove. Clear? So what will happen here? Let's see. Okay, control S, remove. I am telling here what it has to remove. Okay, I have to tell कि इसको remove क्या करना है. तो let's see. Suppose it has to remove again Manav from here. Okay, so I am writing here Manav. Okay, so let's see. Run the program. Let me clear it. Okay, so let run. Okay, great. So what it has done, it removed the Manav child from my list. So it has removed. Okay, simply remove. Just suppose if you are writing the element that is not present in the list. Okay, see, one thing is that here I am simply writing what is present. Okay, just suppose you don't know. Okay, just suppose you don't know, okay, is it present or not in the list. So you simply writing over here and you are typing one name that is not present here, like I will write here Sanya. Fine. So let's see what will happen. So it is raising an error. It is saying that X is not in the list. Means the argument that I passed here, this one, it is not in the list. It is showing, it is raising an error. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. Okay, now the thing is that what if I have the two entries, okay, of same name. Just suppose I have same here like Abhi. Okay, I have two entries of Abhi with me. Clear? So what will happen? Okay, so what will happen here? Just let me comment it out. Okay, now I am writing here Abhi. Okay, clear? So but here I have the two entries. Now you will see ke I think it has to remove both the entries, but will it do? What do you think? Will it do? It will remove the both the entries or only one? If it has to remove the one entry, then which one? Which one entry it has to delete? Okay, this one or either this one? Which one? Okay, so let's see here which one it will delete. Save. So it will automatically remove the first entry, whatever the first entry, okay, for the same same elements. Okay, so it will delete only the first entry there. I hope this is clear to you how to delete the methods. So we have three methods over here. Okay, just have a quick recap. Okay, I am simply writing over here. So what we have learned, delete methods, and what about insert methods? We have learned the adding data also. So what were the methods? Insert, huh? Then append, then extend. Okay, so these things we have learned here. Okay, uh, in these videos. Okay, in the previous video we have learned how to insert the data, add the data, and here today we are learning about how to delete the data. Okay, thank you.